I have been dreading making this video, but yeah, I gotta do it. Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my Samyang noodle series. Today I will be trying ×2 Samyang noodles. So for this video, I have some ice and milk on deck, and I really wanted to eat it with some hot dogs to try to cool down the heat. I don't have any hot dogs, but I do have this Texas chicken nugget that I'm going to be eating as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair back because I already know these are gonna be so spicy. First bite, cheers. Very good and very spicy. I think the spice is kicking in now because I can't think. These are spicy. Holy moly, it's so spicy. I want to drink this milk so bad. I'm telling myself not to. I'm like, no, don't drink the milk. Finish the rest. It's so hard because I want to drink the milk. I think this is my last bite. Last bite, cheers. I'm gonna drink the milk now. Cheers. Y'all know that TikTok sound where it's like a woman screaming, it's like, ah! And then it cuts all the time. I'm grateful all the time. I feel that right now. I'm at the grateful part. Honestly, I think someone needs to do a study with Samyang noodles because why are they so addicting? But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm gonna go wallow in pity now. Okay, bye.